Hello students, this is your course on blogging and tools which has finally come to its conclusion. In this video, we'll have a brief course summary to understand what are the key takeaways of the course. The course is designed to help you become a blogger, whether you want to be an independent blogger or you want to be a blog manager for an organization or for a client. Irrespective, the strategies discussed here, the tools discussed in the course, the steps discussed to create content, publish content, monetize your blog, promote the blog are meaningful for you, irrespective of what your intention with blogging as a career is. We began the course by understanding what blogging is, what are the different types of blogs and different types of content formats that can go on a successful blog. Then we try to understand how you can identify the right blogging niche for your own blog or for the company that you're trying to set up or manage the blog for. And we definitely discussed what niche is and how you can research the most profitable niche and how what are the key indicators that tell you whether a niche is performing well or not, and what is the monetizing scope of a niche. Then we went on to understand the different steps that are required to set up the blog, primarily in terms of buying a domain, buying a hosting partner, and a content management partner. And these are the steps that help you in setting up the technical part of the blog before you can actually start doing the creative stuff. And then we discussed about the various screens and menus and tools and functionalities which your blog dashboard has, especially from the point of view of WordPress as a content management system, because that is the most recommended CMS for most any bloggers today. So that's what we discussed. And then we started learning how you can design static pages for your blog which host a type of information which is nothing to do with your otherwise opinions and content which you will be publishing as posts. So we talked about the home or about page of your blog, the contact page of your blog, the merchandise pages, or the products and solutions services pages. And the idea here was to understand how you can communicate your blog's personality or identity through brief text, and then encourage your readers who are coming from organic sources to explore the content that you're presenting in the form of blog posts. Finally, we arrived at the blog content creation part, and we discussed how you can create a unique text based content, how you can curate content, how you can design your own media, how you can embed it in your blog, and we talked about how you can use different types of content formats, different types of content in different blog posts to improve your customer or reader engagement, and what are the key important steps in terms of blog optimization that you should be taking. Then we talked about monetizing the blog, because ultimately this is one of the goals which most company owned and privately owned or personally owned blog owners have. So we talked about various ways in which you can make money from a blog, and we went a step ahead from basic ad revenue and affiliate revenue, and we discussed various ways in which you can sell your own products, services, paid content and tools from your blog platform. And we discussed a lot of examples to help you understand how other bloggers are doing it. Then we talked about different ways in which your blog can be promoted. And yes, social media has an important contribution there, but we talked about other ways in which this can also be managed, and how you can establish different sources of traffic for your blog. Then, to bring together all this process of creating a blog, we had a chapter on different tools for blogging efficiently, and we took up every aspect of blogging and we discussed important, usually free tools which are easily accessible and available in the market for you to start using to efficiently run your blog. Then finally, we talked about measuring and managing your blog performance, doing some qualitative activities, and of course, investing in some tools to automate other aspects of your blog management. We talked about use of tools like Google Analytics for blog performance measurement and blog performance management. And in a nutshell, the key takeaway I would say from this blogging and tools course is how you can set up your own blog and perhaps decide to pursue this as a career, as a blogger. So I hope that you learnt all that from this course, and as soon as you finish it, you already have made up your mind about what you're going to blog about and how you're going to do it, how you're going to approach it. So I hope that's the direction you'll be moving in. This is the end of course on blogging and tools, and a final thank you to all. Happy learning.